Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn off dark mode in the Facebook app. Whether you're switching back to light mode for better visibility or just prefer the classic look, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the settings. Next, tap on the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be located in the top right corner of your screen or at the bottom navigation bar. The menu icon looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Once you've opened the menu, scroll down until you see the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to expand more settings. Now, look for the dark mode option in this section and tap on it. This will open up a new screen with 3 choices: on, off, and use system settings. Finally, select off to disable dark mode. Your Facebook app will instantly switch back to light mode, giving you the classic white background. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in Facebook. If you ever want to switch it back on, just follow these same steps and choose on instead. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.